Well, shut up and take my money. Losi, what have you done? Okay guys, today, new car day, wicked. We've got the Losi 22 sprint car, man. I pulled that trigger straight away. I couldn't believe that they hit the stores as soon as the YouTube embargo or whatever it is that the YouTubers do. You get on the site, boom, they're in stock. So I missed out on the ready to run. I didn't really want that one anyway. I got like the one you see here now on the box, the pinky blue color scheme. You can also get the green, and there's also a red, which is the ready to run. This one just comes with no battery or charger, so you've got to supply your own battery or charger. But I'm intending on taking out the Spectrum gear anyway and putting in something else. And all my batteries pretty much are all Dean's connection. I'm old school, still love the Dean's connection. I've run 4S Dean's in competitive races and I've never had melt-offs or anything like that. If it's a good solder, it'll hold. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, how are you? Tony Droney, that's the channel name. I'm Tony. Welcome. This is rainy Darwin at the moment. This time of year, we've had a heap of rain this week, and it's just finished a big downpour now. So I've got out here to do this quickly YouTube video to unveil the Losi. And we've got other slot car goodies too I've got to do. So I've got heaps of videos I've got to film. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, give us a like, share, comment, let us know what you're into. If you're into the slots, if you're into the RC cars. It's a mixed channel. So it's heavily dominated with slot cars, but I love my RC cars too. So subscribe if you want to come along the journey. And I'm up in the top end of Australia. So I'm all up here sort of by myself. I've got a good crew of friends up here. Actually, this is the t-shirt for the local club up here in Darwin. So I've already been in contact with the president of the club, and there's been a few people that have already bought some. So hopefully we can get a little bit of a crew going and get a little class running up here in Darwin this year at the local 1/8 scale big off-road dirt track, which is, because it's wet season now, it's off limits. It's the practices and open nights and the busy bees to get everything back in order start in the next couple of weeks actually. So stay tuned. I've got the bug. I'm itching to get back in. I'm going to pay me. I was slack last year. I didn't pay my membership. I didn't go and attend. It's tricky because it's Saturday nights, you know, so you miss quite a few nights if you've got things to go to in town or obligations and weddings and bar mitzvahs. But this year I'm going to make a little bit of an attempt, hopefully run 110 short course truck and maybe something like this, you know. So without, let's get down closer to the box and unbox it, eh? Alrighty. Where's our little knife? If I maybe bring you a bit closer that away. Can I zoom? Yeah, what about that? Alright. So yeah, down here on the table, guys. Let me just double check. Where's that Jengo? Yeah, he's a good boy. He's sitting there chewing a ball. So yeah, guys, I think these would have been the first batch to hit Australia. I know another friend of mine, Dean, he's purchased one. Where's the tape? All the tape's there. All right, here we go. I know, a bit more tape there. Oh, bada bing, bada boom. Oh, that smell. Okay, we've got a big sheet of decals. So that's one good thing too. Losi have really thought about this one, guys. They've released downloadable templates, so you can customize the body and make it your own. You can go online and get optional parts like carbon fibre towers, turnbuckles, and all that stuff. What do we got in here? I'll put that down there. Put that aside. So we've got our little manual taped off here on the side. Chop that up, put that aside for now. Take that cardboard out. Don't need that one. The dog can have that bit of cardboard and that bit of cardboard. Guys, What do you think of the colour choice? That's sick. And as you see on this side, you've got the wheel covers, and on the other side, you've got the lovely chromies exposed. So they've really gone to some scale detail here, guys. Sorry, I'm cutting my face out here. It's more focused on the car anyway, isn't it? So let's cut this little baby open. Let me get me scissors. I don't want to do any weird cuts with the Stanley knife blade. Good old Lexan scissors. There we go. Nothing else in there, is there? No. Dog can have that one. And down in here we'll have the little transmitter. So today's going to be just an unboxing, guys, pretty much, because I want to, I'm tossing up either deleting the cable and going Dean's and keeping it Spectrum, or taking the whole ESC out and putting in something wicked. Let us know in the comments what you reckon. Should I just put a Dean's plug on, or should I'm pretty sure I've got a Castle 3S capable unit sitting there. So we could give that a crack. So let us know in the comments, guys. Let us know. But God, you gotta love new car day, man. We got new slot cars have arrived, and from Bonza Hobbies. So that's the next video coming. So yeah, just the basic. Getting a collection of these now. STL, I think they are. ST. Yeah, a good little thumb grip. Pain in the bum, they don't stand up though. You know. Could have made it a bit of a flat base, guys, so it stood up. Anyway, enough whinging, Tony. Let's get back to the car. Guys, look at the detail. We've got the exhaust manifolds have even been painted like they've been burnt, you know. Number 5, got the little steering assembly like sprint cars do here. That's a little bit fakey, but you got the Hoosier tyres. Nice. Lovely shocks. Lovely chrome rear bumper. Driver detail. Hopefully that's showing up nice on the camera. Wow. That is sick, man. Losi has knocked it out of the park on this. Oh, he's dropped it. And I'm really glad they didn't go with the undercarriage battery option. So we just got a nice, I'll show you when we take it off, but as you can see here, everything's off center. So she's full representation of going left. And so I've got full plans, guys, out here to build a sprint car track. I've already started poisoning a little spot over there. And you've also got the option to take this off and drive it wingless. So you've got the wingless option as well, which is very easy. And there's a couple of little spare parts. Let's crack open the bag. The little baggie of goodies. So you get some double A's, which is great. And you get these little plates. So if I want to go wingless, you get a little plate there to add a little bit of rigidity. What else? Yeah, and all the mounting screws and hardware for that. Standard little screw, little shock cap holder if you want to repair shocks, and some more little mounts that look like it's to do with the clip body once the wing's taken off. So some little goodies there. A little Losi sticker, gotta love that. That can go on the door as well. Bit of plastic, that can go over there. So yeah, here's a little sheet, guys. If you want to pause the video and look at it a bit better, of all the carbon and aluminium billet anodized bitty bits that you can get. And there's some more sort of standard parts list there of turnbuckle kits, fans, ESCs. Well, they look even like titanium ball heads and everything. So great to see Losi. So they've really thought about the aftermarket straight out of the box, so they know that this is going to be a hit. Let's put that aside, and you get your full manual. So if you ever have any issues with binding, controllers or anything like that, and then towards the back, you've got all your parts list with some full exploded views. So if you ever need to rebuild the slipper clutch, you know, redo anything, You got all your screws and stuff there, so you shouldn't go wrong. So always keep those handy, guys. And we get a big baggie of decals. Let's cut that open because it looks like there's two sheets. What do we got in here, guys? What do we got? So you got a little blue sticker there. That'll go somewhere. Oh yeah, and 2 decal sheets. Well done, Losi. My God, we got numbers coming out the wazoo. And so you can buy a white body frame for it too. So if you wanted to do some sort of custom rig, that is great. And now, let's have a look inside the body, eh? Now it's got a quick release system, which I'm loving how most RC brands, even Kyosho now, Traxxas of course, Armour. I think Armour lead the way with the clipless body design, but Losi here, pull back, lift up, and wiggle. So you got a little tongue and groove at the front that you just slot into, and then you've got this little locking mechanism there. Hopefully that's showing up on camera. Let's see how that holds up over time with dirt and grit, but looks really good. Inside here, guys, we've got a Spectrum Firma 3300 kV, brushless, paired up to a Spectrum ESC. I did not check what the amperage is on that ESC. I'm pretty sure 45 amps on the brushless Smart Light ESC, so I don't think it's going to be 3S capable. So that's why I'm thinking I'm going to modify it and chuck something big and beefy out of it. Servo sits up nice and proud with a nice little servo mount underneath there. Adjustable turnbuckles all the way around the car. And I don't know if you can show that up on the camera. So you can see with the chassis plate, everything is off-centered. This baby is meant to turn left, you know what I mean? Lovely big battery tray. Unfortunately, it came with the IC5, but if you've got batteries that are compatible with the IC5, that's great. And you can buy adapters on eBay and stuff, that'll help you out with that. But I'll probably just chop that off, or even, no, I might just keep it nice and fresh and clean and replace that and put it in something else in the future. Comes with a Spectrum SR215 receiver, slipper clutch over the side here with a little rubber grommet cover, and the more scale detail at the back with the bumper. Lovely aluminium chassis. What else can I say about that, guys? Wow. So unfortunately it's just going to be an unboxing today. Let's see how easy that is to get back on. Slotty. Oh, there you go. Slot straight back in. And I picked up the other day off my friend in town, president of the RC club too, some brand new Z batteries, 5200 milliamp, 2S, 100C rating, so they'll have a little bit of bang in them. So they're going to be the sort of the good runner battery that goes in there. And you've also got the option to run a shorty pack as well. You can just adjust the little rubber straps, so you can use a shorty strap, or you can use the traditional sort of flat pack there. Yeah. What else? That's the unboxing today, guys. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a bit of soldering and get it out. No, I'm not doing soldering, so I'm going to remove it, put something lovely in it, and we'll go from there. But keep it 2S for the time being. Keep it relatively crazy. I don't want to go crazy with the power. Maybe down the road, chuck something bigger in it and go 3S, you know. But if you liked the video, guys, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. We've just hit over 550 subscribers, so that's great. And if you're interested in winning a slot car, go watch some of my slot car videos and subscribe and enter some code words, because there's about a week left to go and I'm giving away a lovely Formula One slot car, 132 scale slot car. So like, subscribe, share. See you all next time. See you, man. Bye.